Hey guys, welcome back to Krafts, and today we are going to be making some Halloween slime. So the ingredients are some clear Elmer's glue and some magical liquid, and then some glitter. We have 3 types of glitters. We have some black glitter, we have some purple glitter, and we have some silvery orangish color. So first we are going to add some clear glue. So first I'm just going to add some, a good amount. It's not coming out. I'm just going to open the cap up and pour a little bit in. Okay, that's good. Okay, so next I'm going to add the purple glitter. Haha. This is my favorite one.
Are you okay?
Yeah. Oh gosh.
Callie.
It's okay. It's okay. Halloween slime gone. Oh gosh. I don't know why I did that. That was stupid. I got a glitter face now.
It's okay, you look magical now. You okay?
Yeah, just got a little bit of it. Good thing I had a paper towel in my witch hat. Hashtag real life.
Hashtag you always come prepared.
Yeah. Oh, I just... Ow!
Oh my gosh.
Okay, so that was a little bit of mishap. Still got a little bit of glitter in my eye, but I'm just gonna get over it and just keep going, you know? Okay, we're just gonna keep that in there. Okay, I guess don't do that. Next we're gonna add some black glitter. And I'm not gonna blow it out because that's just dumb. And then I'm gonna add some silver and orange glitter. Nice. Oh, it's so satisfying. And now I'm gonna mix together, and then I'll add the acne. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay, so next we are gonna add some Elmer's magical liquid, and it instantly activates your slime. We're gonna add a little bit at a time and see how much it does. So I'm gonna add a little bit. Okay, that should be good. I'm gonna mix it up. Feels interesting. Ooh. Yeah. I'm gonna snap my wrist fingers, and as fast as you can say Happy Halloween, I'm gonna be done with this slime. Okay, I'm back with my slime done. Boom. Was that fast enough for you? Could you say Happy Halloween? All right. Make sure you subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell. And make sure you go check out my other video on this channel. Thanks for watching. Bye!